What's the meaning of collective bargaining? Collective bargaining. Collective bargaining.
Collective bargaining. Collective bargaining. Collective bargaining is a process in which employees, usually through a union, negotiate with their employer for better wages, benefits, and working conditions on behalf of the entire workforce. The result of collective bargaining is an agreement or contract that outlines the terms and conditions of employment between the employer and unionized workers. This contract typically includes details such as wages, hours, benefits, grievance procedures, and workplace safety regulations. Collective bargaining aims to create a fair and equitable relationship between workers and their employers while promoting economic stability and social justice.